Hi, everyone. It's Elizabeth E. Warren here today with the button maker for review. We quite enjoy it in the classroom. So I'm just going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to make it work and the great outcome you will have, and for an inexpensive price. So the button maker has a tall handle there and it pushes down. That is about the big mechanics of it all. It has a sliding plate, so you can just slide yours from side to side for your button making. And as you use it, the easier it slides. And sometimes it comes with a little divot in the plastic or something that would stick out that maybe just file down. But after you use it quite a bit, then you get the nice slide, which is great. It also comes with all of these, and enough of them. There's at least 500 when it comes to you, of these little clear plastic sleeves. And those are what goes over our picture to seal it all in. We're going to need one of those. We're going to need one of these. And once again, there's at least 500 of these in your pack when you order the machine. And you just make sure it's smooth all the way around with no funny dent-ins or dent-outs. But the smoother it is, the better it is. And what happens is this rim goes down in the machine first, bam, just like that. And then you have to find your picture to use. And I'm going to use this picture out of an old magazine, this pup right here. I like pups. So you just take one of your clear covers. That's what I like to go with. Place it over whatever it is you're going to cut out so you know the shape and where you want to get it. And then trace out. And know that part of it's going to go underneath into your button when you're done. So don't cut it too big or too small. Too small, then you just have a lot of silver showing, which is not, anything too thrilling to look at. So I try to get our students always to make a good full circle of whatever it is they want to make. So then they cut out a circle, a picture of their choice. Voila. Now we have un circle of dog. And then what we do next is we take our metal bit that we've already put in there, and then we put the picture on top looking up at us. If it doesn't quite fit, then maybe you need to trim it up a little because you want it to fit well in there. Because if you don't, then it won't allow the seal to happen. Let's see. Almost. Just take a little bit off the top. Sure, that's what the pup said when he went to the groomer. Just take a little off the top. All right, now that's in, and then we cover it with this little film, lovely, right on top. And that goes in the first hole. And then over on the next side, we slide that across. Wow. And then we're going to put one of these in, a back in. And it's just like this, a pin, two sides. And the side with the zigzag is the side that we were going to put facing us. And sometimes there's these little tiny pieces of plastic that didn't come off, and you should really cut them off for a better finish. Be sure you put that in so it's going the way your pin is, so your pin doesn't end up hanging upside down. And then this is the fun part now. You just take the handle, and in the first side, which would be the left side circle, and you press down. And we're only going to go about halfway with this one. The machine will stop itself. And then up, and then we slide over to our second circle on the right, and then we press down again. And this time it goes all the way down. I keep my button maker mounted on a table with a vise at the end, so the kids can't, it doesn't slide around for them, and that's a good feature. But right now I had to move it over here to the viewing area. So voila, one shiny puppy button. What's so good about the button maker is that it takes something so easy as a picture in a magazine and makes it into something that is super cool. The kids really like. They trade with friends. They hang them on their backpacks. They give to people. And I can just turn them loose. I leave the machine out. Everybody's pretty well versed on how to use it. And then it's just there and it's something to do. And they can whip these out sometimes at record speed. It's inexpensive. I think the machine was probably like $150 and it came with at least 500 buttons to make. And you can just reorder the button making material. I think that this machine will last a good long time. There's not many parts to it. It's very solidly constructed. You do have to put it together when you get it in the box, but it's just a few bits, nothing too much. And then just make sure you get that to slide well. So in our classroom, we give this machine high marks. The kids all really like it. We enjoy doing it. You can do buttons for your school, your volleyball team. Anyway, that's a good times right here. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it's been helpful. Go button maker. Thank you. Bye.